Make we celebrate our troops with pride. President Buhari Naim talk this one. President Buhari on Monday for Abuja praised Nigerian armed forces as them they maintain peace, unity and stability for our country. As him tell Nigerians to celebrate them. President talk this one for the 2022 Armed Forces Remembrance Day Emblem Appeal launch, wey be the annual event to take remember soldiers wey fight for First and Second World War. Buhari yarn say as armed forces don work to maintain peace and stability for our country, we suppose celebrate them as the pride of our country, say government go continue to motivate them. Buhari described the emblem as sign of sacrifices and blood shed by officers and men of the armed forces for peace and security for Nigeria. He come beg Nigerians, plus visitors and friends of Nigeria, to donate to take help widows and orphans of fallen heroes. President come pledge say the welfare of ex-servicemen go continue to be priority for government, especially quick and regular payment of pensions and benefits to retirees. This na the ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give una from Benin, Osarugwe, Monday.